aviation enthusiasts, welcome back to Flying Dreams. I'm Hamad, and today we're going to explore the wonderful world of helicopters. We'll uncover secrets of how they work and explore the incredible variety of tasks they are used for. So let's take off and learn more about these incredible flying machines. First, to kick things off, let's understand what a helicopter is. Unlike fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters have rotating rotor blades on top that allow them to hover, take off vertically, and perform nimble maneuvers. They're like the acrobats of the sky. Now, let's uncover the magic of helicopter flight. Helicopters fly thanks to their rotor blades that provide lift and thrust. A main rotor spins above, while a smaller tail rotor keeps the helicopter steady. By controlling the pitch and speed of these rotor blades, pilots can go up, down, forward, backward, and even sideways.
A helicopter generates lift from its rotating blades. Adjusting the collective pitch changes the angle of all blades simultaneously, allowing the helicopter to increase or decrease in altitude. Adjusting the cyclic pitch will change the angle of each blade at specific parts of its rotation, creating more lift on one side, leading to forwards, backwards, and side-to-side motion. Changing the pitch of the tail rotor blades rotates the helicopter left or right, like a rudder.
Helicopters also have unique design. They consist of a cockpit for the pilots, a main rotor system, and a smaller tail rotor. Inside the cockpit, you'll find all the needed controls to maneuver this amazing flying machine. It's like a mini flying control room. One of the most amazing things about helicopters is their versatility. They can perform a wide range of tasks, making them indispensable in many fields. Let's explore some of their incredible uses. Helicopters often swoop in as heroes during medical emergencies. They can quickly reach remote or inaccessible areas and pick up patients and transport them to hospitals, saving precious time and lives. Helicopters are also vital in search and rescue operation. They can cover large areas in short time, spotting lost hikers, survivors in natural disasters, or people in distress. Helicopters are like the guardian angels in the sky. law and enforcement agencies also use helicopters for various tasks. Spot criminals on the run, provide aerial surveillance during major events, and help in traffic management. They're like the watchful eyes in the sky, keeping us safe. When wildfires rage, firefighting helicopters come to the rescue. They can drop water or fire retardants into the flames to help extinguish or control wildfires. They're like the water-bombing heroes in the sky. Helicopters are also the go-to choice for filmmakers and photographers looking for breathtaking aerial shots. They provide a unique perspective and capture stunning visuals that add magic to movies and documentaries. In the offshore industry, helicopters are workhorses. They can transport workers to and from oil rigs, making it possible to access these remote locations quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, folks! Helicopters are like the versatile Swiss Army knives in the aviation world. They can hover, soar, rescue, and much more. Next time you see a helicopter in the sky, remember all the incredible tasks it can be used for. Thank you all for diving deep with me into the fascinating world of helicopters. This is your checklist for today. Subscribe to my channel, check. Ring notification bell, check. Like on the checklist, it's a check. And visit my social media accounts appearing right below. And invite all your friends to do so. Until next time, fly high, stay inspired.